Everyone, this is the second lecture of elements of radiations. In this lecture, we have to discuss the point units for measuring radiation's absorption. In this, there are some units of expressing the absorption coefficient. Okay, first unit is the linear absorption coefficient, and this is denoted by the symbol mu. Second one is the mass absorption coefficient. Third one is the atomic absorption coefficient, and fourth one is the electron absorption coefficient. Now we have to see this coefficient one by one. First one is the linear absorption coefficient. For this point, we have to take the attenuation expression. Okay, first one is the I is equal to I0 e raised to minus mu x. Okay, where I is nothing but the intensity after passing through a thickness x of a matter, where x is nothing but the matter. Okay, where I0 is the initial intensity and mu is the linear absorption coefficient and its unit is the centimeter inverse. In the exam point of view, the units is very important in this topic, so we have to remember the units here. Second one is the mass absorption coefficient. Okay, the linear absorption coefficient divided by the density rho gives the mass absorption coefficient. Linear absorption coefficient, okay, this is denoted by symbol mu and divided by the density, that is density is denoted by the symbol rho. Okay, this and mu by rho, ratio of the reduced mass upon reduced mass and density is known as the mass absorption coefficient. Means what? The mass absorption coefficient is denoted by mu by rho. Okay, you have to remember here mu by rho, and unit of the mass absorption coefficient is the centimeter square per gram. Next one is the atomic absorption coefficient. In this type of atomic coefficient, the absorption of a radiation per atom. Okay, this topic matter, and it is related to the number of atoms per unit mass of the matter. Okay, here what we have to given, the atomic absorption coefficient is denoted by the symbol mu a. Okay, where mu is the absorption coefficient and a is nothing but the atom. A is for atom. That's why here symbol is given, that's a mu a. Okay, and equation for this symbol is mu a is equal to mu upon rho into a by L. Okay, where mu is nothing but the absorption coefficient, rho is nothing but the density, a is nothing but the atomic mass of the atom, and L, where L is nothing but the Avogadro number. Means what? Value of L is equal to 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, then unit of the atomic absorption coefficient is centimeter square per atom. Okay, and here denominators are the atomic absorption coefficient, that is a mu that is a mu reduced mass, and a is the atomic mass. These three are the numerators. Okay, and here the unit of the numerator is centimeter square. Means what? This is centimeter square is nothing but the unit of a mu and a in the combination, and unit of the rho and L. Means what? It is the product of rho into Avogadro number. Means the unit of rho into Avogadro number is atom. That's why here the total unit of it atomic absorption coefficient is centimeter square per atom. This is very simple. And now next absorption coefficient is the electron absorption coefficient. Okay, and here the absorption coefficient is denoted by mu, and electron absorption coefficient is denoted by the symbol mu e for the electron, and here the mu for absorption coefficient. In this type of a absorption coefficient, the electrons are absorbed. Okay, the absorption of a radiation per electrons of the stopping matter in the path is it is nothing but the fundamental quantity. quantity, and it undergoes the interaction of radiation only, okay, only with the electrons. And what happens in the atomic absorption coefficient? Interaction of radiations is only with the atom, okay, in case of a atom absorption coefficient. And in this case, the interaction of radiation is only with the electrons, so it is known as the electron absorption coefficient. This is the same formula, like as a atomic absorption coefficient, but what happen here? This the Z is given. Okay, that's why the formula is changed for that. So the formula for the electron absorption coefficient is mu E is equal to mu upon rho into A by EL Z, or we can write here the here A mu by Z. This is the short formula for the electron absorption coefficient. So the unit for the electron absorption coefficient is centimeter square for electrons. Then we have to see the next point. That is the absorption in a water. This is nothing but the problem on the absorption of a water, okay. Here this is the problem we have to solve in case of a absorption of water. Here mu is equal to 0.0706 centimeter inverse, and with the help of this mu is nothing but the absorption coefficient or linear absorption coefficient, and with the help of this absorption coefficient we can determine the mass absorption coefficient, that is mu by rho. Then we can also calculate the atomic absorption coefficient, that is A mu, and we can also calculate the electron absorption coefficient, that is AE, from this value, this single value we can calculate the mass absorption coefficient, then atomic absorption coefficient, and then the electron absorption coefficient only from this value, this single value, okay. Now we know that first we have to calculate the mass absorption coefficient, and mass absorption coefficient is given by the value given by the formula mu by rho, okay. Here we have to calculate the absorption coefficient of a water molecule, and we know that the density of the water is 1, okay. That's why the absorption coefficient, this is the given absorption coefficient, is equal to the mass absorption coefficient, means what, the mu divided by rho, where mu is nothing but the 0.00706 and divided by 1 is equal to value, what value will come, the value it will come the 0.0706 centimeter in square per gram. This is nothing but the unit for mass absorption coefficient, okay. Then we have to calculate the atomic absorption coefficient, okay. And we know that the formula for the atomic absorption coefficient is the mu by rho into A by L, okay, where we know that the value of mu by rho, so we can put here the value 0.00706 into A. Here A is nothing but the mass of the atom, atomic mass of the atom, okay. And in the H2O, here 2H means what, 2 into 1 is equal to 1 plus O, mass of the oxygen is 16, okay. Means what, the addition atomic mass of the water molecule is 18. That's why here 18 is taken, okay, into 18 divided by at its Avogadro number, means this is 0.0708 into the 18 divided by the Avogadro number, we got the answer 2.11 barn per atom, okay. So we got the value of atomic absorption coefficient is 2.11 barn per atom. Then we have to calculate the next absorption coefficient, that is the mu e. We can calculate the electron absorption coefficient is also from this formula. Okay, so we can calculate the electronic absorption coefficient by using the formula A mu by Z. Okay, so value of A mu we got the 2.11 bar. Okay, A mu means what? The atomic absorption coefficient divided by Z. Okay, so 0.211 divided by value of the Z is equal to 10. Okay, and we got the final answer, that is the 0.211. Sorry, here 2.21. Okay, 2.21 divided by the 10, we got the value 0.211 bar per electron. Then next point is the molecular absorption coefficient of the compound. Here also we have to solve the problems. Here we have to solve the molecular absorption coefficient of the compound, and compound is the water. Okay, and the molecular absorption coefficient of the compound of a substance are obtained by the adding different atomic absorption coefficient in the each atom is proportional to the mass of its atom, number of its atom. Okay, so we know that here we have to determine the molecular absorption coefficient of the water atom. Okay, so we know that in the water atom is composed of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. That's why here we have to take the atomic absorption coefficient, okay, of 2 hydrogen atom, and plus we have to take the atomic absorption coefficient of the 1 oxygen atom, because the water molecule is consist of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom. Okay, plus, and so 2 into atomic absorption coefficient of the hydrogen atom is 0.211. Okay, so and plus 1 into the atomic absorption coefficient value of the oxygen atom is equal to 1 into 1.688 is equal to, we got the next value, that is after calculating this equation we got the value 2.110 barn per molecule. Okay, because here we have to calculate the molecular absorption coefficient, that's why here we have to take the molecule per molecule. Then next point is the mass absorption coefficient of the compound. The mass absorption coefficient here is the molecular, okay, and here is the mass. Mass absorption coefficients of the compound substance are calculated by the combining the mass absorption coefficient and after weighting the each atom proportional to the its mass in the molecule. Okay, here we know that the mass absorption coefficient is denoted by the mu by rho. Okay, that is reduced mass divided by the density. So is equal to, we know that the reduced mass of the hydrogen atom, okay, is 2. Reduced mass is the 2 divided by 18. 18 is nothing but the atomic mass of the water molecule. Atomic mass of the water molecule into the 0.1266 plus 16. Here 16 is the atomic mass of the oxygen atom divided by the 18, where 18 is nothing but the atomic mass of the water molecule into the 0.0636 is equal to, we got the answer, final answer, that is the 0.706 centimeter square per gram. And by calculating this equation we got the next value, that is the 0.0716 into centimeter square per gram, because here mass is given, that's why we have to take the unit of the mass, that's a gram. That's why we got this answer. Okay, thank you. Next part we are going to see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.